Great, you have finished setting up your Insignia Fire TV, and now you want to adjust the picture settings of your TV for more accurate and enjoyable viewing experience. So without further delay, let me show you how to choose the best picture settings according to your preference on your Insignia Smart TV Fire TV Edition. To access all the picture settings, first you need to play a video, or else most of the settings will be grayed out. So we will play a video on YouTube, and then bring up these settings by pressing on the settings icon. From there go down to picture, and now all the settings are available. We'll start with picture mode. While you're watching movies or TV series, it's better to switch to movie mode to view the content the way they're meant to be viewed. You can switch back to standard while you're doing something else. So after selecting movies, we can further customize it by going back and adjusting all the sliders. We'll start with backlight, adjust it according to your environment. Then go down to contrast, and it's better to keep it around 80. Then we have brightness or white level. If you bring it up too much, the picture will become faded and you will lose texture details. So it's best to keep it unchanged. Then we have color or saturation. I'll also recommend to keep it at 0, but you can bump it up if you want. Then we have tint, which we need to keep at 0, and there's sharpness. Even if it's set to 0, it still applies sharpness. So if you don't want to add extra sharpness or film grain on your content, then you can bump it down further to -25. Now at the bottom of the list, we have advanced settings. So we'll press OK and expand it. We have white balance, where we can adjust the color temperature. The warmer option will look more yellowish, and standard and cool will look more bluish. We will keep it set to warm, and we'll keep these 3 sliders to 0. Then let's go back and go to gamma. If you turn it down, the picture will become darker, and if you turn it up, the whites will become more faded. You can adjust it a couple points according to your environment. Then we have dynamic backlight, dynamic contrast, MPEG noise reduction, dynamic noise reduction, and then edge enhancer. These are all auto-adjusted settings, so we will keep all of them turned off. But if you're viewing older contents which has a lot of film grain, then you may turn on dynamic noise reduction according to your need. With this, all our adjustments are done. Now if we go back, all the changes that we just made will be saved to this picture mode. Which means if you change picture mode, you'll need to adjust these settings once again. Also, you need to keep in mind that you'll have to adjust these settings for each input. For example, if we now choose HDMI 1, you'll see in the movie mode, it doesn't have the settings adjustment that we just made. And that's all there is to it. Now that everything is set to your liking, you can enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows the way you want. Let us know your feedback, and I'll see you around.